All right, guys, this is part 4 of a Pomodori Verdi sott olio. And what we did was we took all the green tomatoes that have been salted overnight, drained the water, and now we put them back into this bowl. And right now we have this bowl filled with a cup of white vinegar and 3-cup water. And we're going to add that. All right, guys. Look at that. So what we're going to do is we're going to push our little tomatoes down in there into the water vinegar solution. You can add more vinegar if you want. You could add less vinegar if you want, but just make sure you have at least a cup in there. So it'll penetrate your little pomodori. Now remember, these were salted. Okay, these were salted overnight, so they have salt in them. So the preserving is already being done. Now what we're going to do then is we're going to, after we put these little guys under a little bit of water, then we're going to add our weight. All right, guys, now we're going to add our weight. We're going to put our plate back on top. Give it a good press down. And now we're going to add our tomato cans back on top of here to give it more weight. And what that's doing is it's keeping them submerged. It's keeping your little pomodori submerged. Okay, that's very strange. Well, anyway, so submerge. This time we're submerging in vinegar and water, and then we're going to let this sit for, you guessed it, 24 hours. So this takes about 3 days to make, actually. So if you want something quick, if you want Pomodori Verdi sott olio, if you want it really quick, don't make it. It takes 3 days to make. All right, so we're going to let this sit for 24 hours.